those smaller companies give you access to the key decision makers, and then you're able to build a relationship with them that's very much reciprocal in nature. Maybe. So, what kind of partnerships can boost growth, especially for in the early stages for technology companies trying to move into the digital health space? I think one of the most overlooked areas or partnerships or relationships, whatever you want to call it, for these companies to build is with smaller, innovative, privately held practices. Now, I'm going to speak specifically from the physical therapy side of things because that's where I spend a lot of my time, the physical medicine dysfunction, kind of musculoskeletal space. But sometimes if you can get into like maybe a PT clinic or a chiropractor or something like that, they're a small, innovative company, or the owner of the practice is very forward thinking. Getting your technology, your solution, your device into a small company like that can mean a lot for the development of all of your processes, your onboarding, maybe even bugs in the system, beta testing, things like that, because those smaller companies give you access to the key decision makers, and then you're able to build a relationship with them that's very much reciprocal in nature. Maybe you're giving them some kind of deal on the software or the product, and they're giving you a lot of valuable feedback that you'll be able to leverage when you go into those bigger organizations. One of the big mistakes I see some of my clients make is they try to go after these long, like huge organizations for their contracts, and it's a long sales cycle. And then worst case scenario, there's a bug when they're doing some kind of beta test or pilot project, and then it kills the whole deal because they didn't have the foundation. If you take the time to build a good foundation with a few small trusted partners that are going to help you develop your processes for onboarding and implementation and integration, you're going to be set up for success when you go to hit those bigger accounts.